Today we are doing like 40 video ideas for your YouTube channel. Technically 44 I think I've got, but you know 40 just brings it up to the average. And yeah, so I've got 40 ideas. I'm going to be explaining them all to you. Also make sure you subscribe, all of that stuff. If you guys like the sort of thing where I nearly killed an ostrich, there is a picture right here of the video that I did. If you do want, like, if you're interested in what actually happened, you can go and watch that. I'd appreciate it. And yeah, let's get into it. First thing we got, so if I'm looking at my phone, it's because I've got them all on my phone already written out. I'm not just coming these up off the top of my brain, because if I did that, I'd be like a fucking machine. Alright, number one, react to trends. So react to anything that's going viral at the moment. That could be reacting to a certain meme or a certain, like, I don't know, anything that's viral, react to it. They can do quite well. If you put reacting to viral trends in the title, stuff like that does quite well. Second one, setup tour. I've done a setup tour before. You can go and see that on my channel. They do really well. Even if you don't know, like, even if you haven't got a good setup, it's still interesting to see and it still does really well. Like, I had a really bad setup and it got like 160 views. And yeah, so I recommend that. Question 3, tip 3, number 3, day in a life of. You put a day in life of yourself, what you think a day in life of a streamer is, or maybe some sort of skit along with the day in life in. Number 4, Q&A. So get all your subscribers or whoever, you know, follows you on whatever you're doing to ask you some questions, so you can make a video about it or do a live stream about it, something like that. I've done that before. Another one, you could do top 10 or top 20, top 30, top 40, like I'm doing now. A top something video is always quite good. Number 6, a how-to. So how to find something, how to do something, blah blah blah. Number 7, funny moments gaming. So just playing with your mates, just chop up some clips up, put them in a video, boom, you sorted. Obviously this is probably one of those ones where you can just get in a game, play, and it might not always turn out good, but some of the time it might. Number 8, trolling or raiding somewhere. Trolling videos, a bit like Quackity or something like that. They are quite funny to watch, and if you can make something like that, then you know you're going to do well. Number 9, reacting to old videos. So obviously you don't want to do this when you start off your YouTube channel, because otherwise it doesn't really make any sense if you've got 10 videos and you're reacting to your first one. You want to get probably about 50 videos before you do a reaction to older videos, otherwise it just wouldn't make any sense for that one. Number 10, story times. So telling stories, whatever, like the ostrich one, like how some of my videos recently, they're sort of story time videos. Number 11, how I make my videos. I've done a video on that as well. Just the process that goes behind and how you come up with the ideas. All the stuff like that can do quite well. Number 12, unboxing videos. So unboxing, maybe you got a new mic. I got a new mic, so I did an unboxing on that. New webcam, new game. I can even unbox a new game. I don't know, but you get the gist. You get the gist. Number 13, game reviews or equipment reviews. You know, that's pretty much the same as the other one. Pretty much saying the same thing. Number 14, reading comments. So maybe you react to yourself reading the comments on your videos. That might do well. That might be a good title and thumbnail. You never know. Number 15, best free music. So all the best music you can find. Make a video about the ones you use or the ones you like. They can do quite well. Maybe for other content creators. Number 16, music I use in my videos. That is always a good one to do. People might be interested to see. They might like a song they use in the background. So making a video on it might get you a decent amount of views. 17, we have top best memes. I don't know why I added this one, but if you like memes in your channel, sort of meme channel, then put your favorite memes, talk about them, whatever you want to do. Put a playlist down. They could do quite well. Number 18, a room tour. Number 19, doing tutorials such as showing your viewers how to do something on a game or how to do something in particular. They can do quite well. Number 20, trends. I think I already said that, but with this one, instead of just reacting to trends, maybe try your own spin of the trend or something like that. They can do really, really well if you know, do it properly and you find something really unique way to do it. Number 21, start a gaming series. Best on new games such as like my Grounded series. When I got Grounded, then that came out not long ago. I made a series on it and recorded videos on it, and that did really, really well for my channel. So I definitely recommend doing a Grounded series. The Grounded series, doing a gaming series, you know what I'm saying. Number 22, room transformation. So say your room's getting changed, you're changing stuff about. Put the recording of before and put the recording after. Talk about what you changed. They can do quite well. What else have we got? 23, prank videos. Or yeah, so you could do this on a game, you could do this in real life, pranking or trolling your mates or whatever. They can do quite well. Number 24, ranting about something you think is wrong does very well. So just ranting about something they think is wrong. Maybe maybe your favorite YouTuber got cancelled or something, and you think that it shouldn't have got cancelled for what they did, or whatever. I've seen loads of those sorts of videos. But ranting about other channels, ranting about whatever, can do really, really well. For some reason, arguments on YouTube just do well. So if you're not afraid to argue with someone over something they did, you could criticize them for it, and you will probably get views. You'll probably get a decent amount of views. Number 25, your favorite game of all time that year, or just over all time. So yeah, those 2 days can do quite well. It gives you something to do, something to talk about. You can put those up your channel. Maybe you can recommend some games, even if it's not your favorite as well. Number 26, make a video with your friend or relative, cat or dog. So just make a video with your friends, make a video with your relative, your sister, whatever. I've done 2 with my sister and they did really well. I haven't made any with my pet, but that's totally up to you. Number 27, commentary videos over gameplay. So just talking about something. This could go on to ranting. So while you're ranting, you could have gameplay in the background, or while you're doing something, you could have something in the background. Number 29, set goals for YouTube. So maybe it's the start of the new year and you want to set some goals. Make a video about it. Make a video of the goals you want to succeed with your people. You got to share that with them. So that's definitely always a good thing to do. Number 30, show off your social media such as Discord by making a video with it. So if you've got an Instagram or you've got Discord, make a video doing something on those platforms so people know you've got them. Not many people know I have an Instagram or TikTok because I don't promote it. I use that to promote my channel. So instead of me trying to get people to my TikTok, I'm trying to get people from my TikTok to my channel. So I wouldn't promote that. But I'm also trying to get people from my YouTube to my Discord, and my main 2 things. So I try to promote them the best ways I can, and I always recommend doing so. What else have we got here? Number 31, subscriber videos such as playing with viewers. So if you're playing and you've reached a certain milestone, maybe you've reached 100 subs, just playing with viewers, even if it's like 2 or 3 of you, you're still playing with viewers, and that could be an interesting video. I'm probably gonna do one of those very soon, but I recommend you doing it too. Number 32, how I set up and go live. Quick tip: anything you find yourself searching, for example, how to add or bots, anything like that. So say for example, you didn't have to do something, you didn't have to wash up, let's say, for that, and you search that in on YouTube. Make a video on how that person did it, but make it your own. They can do really, really well. So if you search something up and nothing's coming up, try and find that way to fix it and make a video about it. That will do really well, because you can't be the only person who's searching up that one thing trying to find out how to fix it. So you'll definitely get that somewhere with it. Number 33, short skits, something like rich people versus poor people, AirPod users be like, Android versus iPhone, those sorts of things. They can do really, really well. I don't know why I mentioned rich people versus poor people, but you know what I mean. Something versus something, those sort of things. Number 34, react to viral TikToks. So that's another reaction one. React to something that's viral TikToks. That could promote your TikTok as well. Number 35, my unpopular opinions. So just say something about yourself that people, when you say it in front of your mates, they're a bit like, what? How do you not like that? Like, I don't like ice cream, but I like it. Like, it's too cold sometimes. It has to be right. But yeah, something like that you could do a video on. Number 36, do a challenge such as an all-nighter, 24 hours in the dark, etc. So 24-hour challenges, an hour challenges, 4-hour challenges, stuff like that. Challenges in general will probably do quite well. So challenge yourself in videos and they will probably do something for you. Number 37, make a video about your favorite artists. Maybe not actual like drawing artists, but maybe your musicians. Like I like Juice WRLD a lot. I've made a whole playlist on my channel just filled with Juice WRLD songs and songs I like. So when people come to my channel and they want to know what I like, then they can go to that playlist, see all the songs I listen to. And I always add new songs there. So if you do want to listen to music, there's a playlist on my channel. You can go and listen to my music there. Well, not my music, but music I like to listen. What else have we got? 38, vlogs like a road trip, etc. So vlogging anything you do. Maybe you go out with your mates and you just want to go, yo boys, you want to just record some, boom, sorted. You could go down to the forest and you could record whatever you wanted to do. They can do quite well, even though if it's not that interesting of a title. For the people who come to your channel regularly, they watch that video and they will most likely watch it for a good amount, because my channel is a bit gaming. So when they see something of me, you know, in real life, they're a bit like, wow, that's crazy, bro. You have a life, and they come and watch it and they want to see what I'm like actually like outside of me playing a game. So they can do quite well. Number 39, surprise someone for a video. Maybe you surprise someone for a voucher, or you do a little giveaway, but you want to do it in a surprise way. You can always do it like that. Number 40, make a video about how you come up with ideas, just like I'm doing now. I'm making a video on how I come up with ideas. Most of the time I just watch videos. I'm like, that could be a good video, maybe I could do something like that, and I keep going off of that and I keep adding to it and I write it down. That's one thing you better do on YouTube. You got to write down your ideas. I've been doing that recently and it's been my video quality has been a lot better. So write down your ideas. Number 41, any sports or hobbies, share it. So say you're really good at football, make a football video. If you're really good at hockey, make a hockey video. Rugby video. Make a video on what you like and maybe it's like a skills or something like that. They can do quite well. And you could get your own little niche in, you know, doing sport. So when people go, oh, you know, that guy does really cool rugby skills, boom, you're that guy, sorted. So you got to, but the thing with that, you have to make more than one video. What do we have for number 42? Number 42, we have what's on my question mark. So what's on my phone, what's on my Discord, what's in my room, what's, you know, stuff like that. Number 43, ask what your subs want. If you don't have ideas, ask your subscribers. They will probably know, and those videos that they ask will probably do well. Number 44, Gaming Skits. So such as, I don't know if any of you watched the Harry Potter one, where you're a wizard Harry. That's sort of like a gaming skit. It was made on a game. So if you can do something like that and replicate it, you could probably pull off a good video. All right, boys. I think that's pretty much it for all the ideas I have for you today. If you found any of them useful, please let me know in the comment. And if you have any ideas, the ones I haven't done, put them in the comments. And if you don't have the ones you don't really know if you like, look in the comments. Someone might have put one you might want to use. But anyway, hopefully you all enjoyed and you found this useful. If you don't know me and you've never been on my channel before, I'd really appreciate it if you could just check out one video. It'd mean a world to me, and let me know you've done that, because I love to hear it and it makes my day. So I'll speak to you all very soon. Have a very good day. More videos coming out soon. Every Monday and Friday. I'll speak to you all soon.